What is this? I absolutely love when I come to Dollar Tree is the newness. Okay, a lot of you guys hear me talk about my inner child, right? You know, when you was a child, you wanted things, right? And you would be so excited because you would see all the different things, right? And maybe you would say to your mother or your father, you know what, I want this, I want that, right? You was so excited. And that is why when I come to Dollar Tree, my inner child comes out. Let me tell you something. Creativity, if you want to be more creative, you have to connect to your inner child, okay? You have to connect to your inner child. If you're a person, you're like, you know what, ain't nobody got time for that. You so serious, you don't smile, you don't play. That's what's getting in your way, okay? You're not connecting to your inner child, which prevents you from creating whatever it is. Because in order for you to create, you need to use your imagination, okay? Let's get into it. All right, so you do a Dollar Tree was on a big one before. You may was like, Dina, I know Dollar Tree don't have that many new items for you to be doing videos, you know, so much that you do. Honey, the devil is a lie. All right. Dollar Tree said, listen, we're not only going to give you two. Honey, I thought they was only giving two, options when it came to the t-shirts. Dollar Tree said, no, we not. Okay, we also are bringing you the Everlast. Okay? Don't get stuck in the past. That's what Dollar Tree said. Dollar Tree said, don't get stuck in the past. All right. Now, this is 3-pack. They come in a last men's V-neck. And let me tell you something. I would sure wear these, okay, these t-shirts around the house. Honey, they t-shirts. I know it says men's V-neck, okay? Now, they come in small, medium, large, and extra large. They are $5. I think this is a steal deal. Like Holyfield, you get 3 packs for $5. And I told you guys, right, with the socks, the Merlin, okay? Merlin is still showing off, okay? Merlin, she ain't playing, okay? Merlin Monroe, that is, all right? Now, you get 10 pairs of socks for $5. Really, really cool. Absolutely like these. These are low cut. They're a little on the thin side when it comes down to here. I like my socks on the thicker side, especially like low cut socks. I'm more so of a high knee type gal when it comes to socks, okay? Dollar Tree also have the Sriracha hot chili sauce socks. Chill. Now these are more so a little thick, okay? When it comes to these are $5. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing a big one out in these streets, okay? All right. Now they also have some more Maryland socks, the brown ones. Honey, the brown is looking fancy pantsy mancy. Those are $5 as well. They also have some more Maryland socks. They say, you know what, we can't get enough of Maryland. All right. $3 for 5 pairs, okay? And I absolutely love these. I am a detailed girl, to say the least, okay? Really, really cool. They come in different colors. I don't see the next color of these. I just see the pink ones. All right, let's move on, shall we? Oh, wait, hold on, child. All right, so if you was looking for about 20 or 50 pairs of socks, okay, Dollar Tree said, listen, we in a place to be. Now, this, of course, is 10 pairs, all right, for $5. K-Swiss. Who remember K-Swiss back in the day? Now, I definitely wanted a pair of K-Swiss, the white sneakers, the white ones. One of my neighbors, one of my childhood friends, she had some K-Swiss, and I thought that was the dopest thing, and I wanted some K-Swiss and also some Reeboks, okay? All right, as a kid, really, really cool. Absolutely love these. Listen, Dollface, you remember I had showed you guys this the other day, okay? The Jam Ring Light. Now, this is splash proof. So, honey, you gonna bring this to the beach. Oh, yes. You gonna bring this to the pool. Yes, in the summertime, okay? You are going to have this in your bathroom. Now, I'm not telling you to put it in a tub or anything like that. Linda, make it make sense. You may have it, on one of your... the thing where as though you put like your products, your shampoos and stuff like that, you could put it on there, okay, because it's splash proof. Now, this is $5. When I was in here the other day, Dollar Tree had so many of these, they are almost gone. They have about 3 of these left, 2 reds and 1 black, okay? So, splash proof, FM radio, colorful light FX, long lasting battery, 2 boom, Bluetooth, okay? Honey, get into it. She looking like she having a funky good time. All right, that is $5. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, wonderful, magnificent, lovely day, okay? If not, do understand and get that your life, your day is going to get better, honey, once you swing my way, okay? Once your perception gets better. Today, we are at Dollar Tree. Honey, the energy is on a trillion. What I've discovered is when my energy is so high, right? I feel warm, okay? Even if it's kind of cold, I feel warm. I believe in you, and I know you have what it takes. I know that you are capable of more. I know you are capable of doing and being more than what you currently are right now, okay? I want you to show up for yourself. Even if you're afraid, I still want you to show up for yourself. I want you to look at yourself when you see yourself in the mirror and say, you know what, I can do that. Because the truth of the matter is, friend, you can do that, okay? Believe in yourself, even when no one else is believing in you. Because let me tell you, sometimes in life, you have to start showing up, and then people will come out the woodwork and say, you know what, I always believed in you. It's not that they always believed in you. You start showing them that they could believe in themselves. Honey, message, okay? All right, today's book is Master Your Time, Master Your Life, okay, by Brian Tracy. Let's go inside Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have for you and me. Let's go. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has their solar state lights. It's 2500. We've seen these a gazillion times, all right? Love the butterfly ones, absolutely are my fave. They also have these flowers over here, solar states $1.25 as well. Still deal like holy fish. So listen, love bugs, I heard that you was looking for something fancy, pantsy, mancy, because you're a fancy one, okay? Honey, Dollar Tree got what you need. Some of you guys may or may have not seen these, okay? The salt and pepper, salt shakers. Honey, salt and pepper like my hair. Get into it, okay? All right, these are $1.25. The Easter egg ceramic. I think this is ceramic. Ceramic salt and pepper shakers. Okay, they have those. They also have the bunny that's not acting funny. They also have the carrots, okay? Really, really fancy, pantsy, mancy. I was waiting for this store to have these. Really, really cool. So just in case, you know what, you like, I'm getting my summer on, I'm buying the stuff now. Dollar Tree has so many summer items, like the bunch balloons, okay, $7, you get 3. They are reusable water balloons, okay? You can reuse them up to 1,000 times, okay? They also have these little dolphins. Is these dolphins or honey, honey bubble machines, okay? Sharks, dolphins, whatever you want to call it. Tomato, okay? These are $5, all right? When I first seen these, I was like, oh my goodness, they are fancy. Absolutely like these. They also have the fast fill, okay? X-Shot, $5, the little water gun. They also have the Splash and Shine Play Pool, one pool, which is $7. Honey, they having a good old time, okay? You better get one of these, okay? All right? Really, really cool. They come in blue and also in red. They also have the Slam Dunk Inflatable Floating Basketball, which is $7 as well. Then they also have the Extinct. I didn't see these, okay? So like the Nerf guns, those are $5, fancy, pantsy, mancy. And then they also have the Bunch O balloons, okay, which is $8. You get 100 balloons. You get 100 balloons, and they are filled in 60 seconds. How cool is that? Honey, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. You feel me? Now, Dollar Tree said, you know what? We're not only going to give you one selection when it comes to the t-shirts, we are going to give you 2 selections. So Dollar Tree, honey, they ain't playing. They are not playing. 3-pack men's crew neck, okay? This is $5. They come in 3 different sizes, small, medium, large. They also have the Dry Fresh, okay? 3-pack men's crew neck, which is $5 as well. They come, hold on, chill. Honey, wait, hold on now, okay? Chill. I just seen this. Dollar Tree ain't playing. They doing a big one. All right, so they have this one, Dry Fresh, okay? And I'm guessing that it dries really, really quick. Let me see. Tag free for comfort, super soft fabric, modern fit, okay? No, that does not mean that, okay? I'm thinking, I don't know what they mean when they say Dry Fresh. Okay, maybe that's just the name of it. Now, the other day we was in here, I was in here, okay, and I had took a swift of these candles. They smell really, really good, okay, $1.25. And then Dollar Tree also have these candles over here. All right, soothing, lemon essence, I think that's how you pronounce it, $1.25 as well. Okay, still deal like Holyfield. Now, another thing that Dollar Tree has is these incense trays. Okay, now they was out before. These are $1.25. They have two colors. They also had the white ones, but I guess they sold out. Right now they have the black, the gray, and that's pretty much all. They also have these candle holders right here, which are $1.25 as well. These are styling and definitely profiling. I seen these before, absolutely love these. They also have these. Okay, this is more on the fancy side, $1.25. They also have these tea light, I like to say tea light candles, because honey, what other type of candle you gonna be able to fit up in here? This is a candle holder, okay, $1.25. Honey, styling and definitely profiling. Now, if you're a person, you're like, Dina, I'm looking for some new glass, okay, you know, just to decorate, you know, I want to put some glitter, I want to put some rhinestones on it, I want to make it do what it do. Honey, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got you. Okay, that's what Dollar Tree said. They have these glass bowls, okay, which are $1.25. I absolutely like these because you can put so many things in here. Whatever your little heart desire, honey, you can put in it. Then they also have these jars right here, these decorative jars right here with the little rope. Really, really cool. Definitely styling and profiling, $1.25. Now, if you're a person and you have a fur friend, okay, cat, dog, ferrets, honey, my sister, she had some ferrets a few years ago, okay, honey, she will walk those ferrets on a leash, okay, like those ferrets was a dog, okay, all right, Dollar Tree, honey, they making it do what it do. They have 9 lives, okay? 9 lives. They like, no, you just don't get 1 life, especially with the cats, you get 9 lives, okay? They also have these bowls over here, which comes in 3 different colors. They have the green, the red, also the blue. They also have the cat bowls. Oh, this is new. This is the first time I'm seeing this. This is $1.25. They also have the collars, okay? Really, really cool by Green Briar. Kennel Club, okay? Honey, Daisy is going to look fancy, Nancy, okay? With the little tie. Absolutely love it with the bow. They also have the cat fast track, okay? This is the cutest thing to me. Interactive fun for your cat includes ball. Child, get into it and do it. All right, and they have different colors. Really, really cool. Okay, so as I am walking, I was about to do a video on this wallpaper, which I'm still gonna do, okay, but I came across this Dad's Garage, always open, fatherly advice, priceless. I absolutely love this. This is so cute, okay, $1.25. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. When I tell you that the universe is always synchronicity, okay? Always sending you signs of synchronicity to let you know you on the right path, okay? Honey, you better listen to those messages. Now, somebody said the other day in a comment section, they said, Dina, no with the wallpaper. Okay, well, my love, maybe not for you, okay? But I guarantee you, it's some people out here that's feeling this wallpaper. You get what I'm saying? Because I know I am, all right? This gold with the white, honey, this is styling and profiling. Really, really cute. Dollar Tree is also letting you know exactly how it's going to look, okay? Now, maybe that one experience, it was not the best. But, honey, don't let that be the last, okay? Really, really cute. I absolutely like the gold. Now, they also have this marble with the gold. I am feeling this, okay, with the pink. Really, really cute. Now, if I had to pick any one of these, my fave would definitely be this one. It has the color, it has the gold. You guys know I'm a gold girl, okay? Really, really cool. They also have these flowers on here. This one, okay? And then this one, that's not my cup of tea, but maybe it's yours. They also have this one. I absolutely like this one because it gives that appearance like brick. Really, really cool. And then they have this one. This one, you know, it has some potential, okay? And then the blue, you know, it looks okay. And then they also have this one, all for $1.25. They also have some more wall creations, jumbo stickers. I like to say these are more so like wall decals, okay? Really, really cool, all right? Now, the design, I don't know. Maybe if you have an all-white wall, freshly painted, maybe I can see, you know, that the blue, the hydrangeas. Is those hydrangeas? Honey, whatever, okay? Tomato, $1.25. Now, let me tell you something. Honey, if you are looking for some amazing pads, I will forever rave about these pads. Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. regular pads, okay, with organic cotton. Honey, I absolutely love these. These are $1.25 and you get 10 count. They also have the super pads where so you get 8 count, but my fave is the overnights. Okay, really love these. Is 6 counts for $1.25, although they are as long as the Hudson River. Okay, they are really long. Absolutely like these though. So Dollar Tree also have the tinted lip oils over here. Okay, so they have the red. You guys know I absolutely love this. Okay, they also have the purple. They also have this orange. Okay, now I am more so a flat matte type of gal when it comes to the lips. Okay, ooh, child. No, they didn't. This is what I mean when I say this is like the gift that keeps on giving every time I come to Dollar Tree. Okay, what is this? Honey, it's the packaging for me, okay? It is always the packaging. Look at this. Power Bubbling Clay Mask, okay, with bentonite clay and charcoal, okay, and whatever that K word is. Now, this is from Global Beauty Care. Now, bentonite clay, I absolutely love it. I used to buy it from Whole Foods, okay? What it does is it purifies your face. So whatever debris or if you got pimples or anything like that, it is going to tighten your face up so much, okay, that it's going to suck. It's pretty much sucking every, impurity out from your face. They also have this right here. This is the Power Face Wash with caffeine and microfine Promise, I think that's how you pronounce it. 3 benefits in 1: cleanse, exfoliates, and remove makeup. Honey, Dollar Tree is doing a big one. They doing a big one. Okay, all right. They also have the Power Toner. All right, 3 benefits: energize, balance, resurface, and this is $1.25 from Global Beauty. They also have another one over here. Honey, I know this is, I told you, literally the gift that just keeps on giving. They also have the Power Moisturizer with retinol, antioxidants, and glycerin, okay, $1.25. 5 benefits. The other ones were saying 2 and 3. Okay, this one said 5. Not only 1, we're going to give you 5 benefits. Hydrate, smooth, okay, brighten, firm, and restore. Child, Dollar Tree is doing a big one. Okay, they doing it. They ain't playing. And they ain't delaying. They out here slaying. Ooh, child, you like that. I know you do. Okay, honey, don't steal it. Now, listen, Dollar Tree also have the Global Beauty Care. Remember, we had seen these. I had purchased this a few months ago, probably around December. All right. They have the Balance and Toner Mist, okay, which is this right here. All right. And this is from Global Beauty as well. And then they also have the Moisturizing Daily Gel Face Lotion, okay, $1.25 as well. And then they also have the Daily Face Wash Cleansing, $1.25. All right, so you guys had seen the other day the Wally Wallaby soft and chewy candies, blasted berry. These are $3.50. Honey, Dollar Tree is putting me in a mind of like a baby Walgreens or something. You get what I'm saying? They have the Mike and Ike's, the Sour Patches. Okay, these are from $3.50 to $4.75. Okay, still deal like Holyfield. Absolutely. Honey, I don't know. It comes to a point in time where so you just like, Dollar Tree is just showing out, okay? Now, if you're a person, you love eating chips, okay, honey, you can't eat chips every day, okay? Well, honey, you do what works for you. It's your prerogative, okay? But, honey, you keep saying you want to lose those pounds, all right? Now, come on now. You're going to have to sacrifice, okay? All right, now, you could get some of these chips every now and then. Now, my fave is definitely the sour cream and onion. Now, when it comes to the sour cream and onion, I'm more so of a Ruffles, I think that's what you call, or the Ridges, you know what I mean, with the lines, okay? Absolutely love those, okay? But Dollar Tree has the Pringles, the sour cream and onion. These are $2.25. Then they also have the hot ones, okay, and the Cheetos and the Doritos, the minis, which are $2.75. Okay, so they have some that's $2.25, and then the Doritos is $2.75, and the Cheetos is $2.75. All right, family, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time.